Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Measure 2 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon oil, 200 ml coconut milk, and 400 g canned tomatoes, plus 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp sugar to balance acidity. Prepare 1 medium onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, and 1-inch piece ginger grated for the aromatic base. Choose 500 g protein like chicken, tofu, or 600 g mixed vegetables, and pat dry before searing to get a golden crust. Have 250 ml stock ready, and any garnishes like cilantro. Heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat and sear protein for 3 to 4 minutes per side until browned. Remove and set aside. Add the diced onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger to the same pan and cook until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoon curry powder and toast for 1 to 2 minutes to bloom the spices. Then pour in 400 g canned tomatoes and 250 ml stock, scraping any brown bits from the pan to deepen flavor. Return the seared protein to the pan, pour in 200 ml coconut milk, and simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through and sauce thickens. Stir occasionally. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1 tsp salt, a squeeze of lime, and 1 tsp sugar if the tomatoes are too acidic. Add 25% more curry powder for bolder heat or 1 tsp chili flakes for spice. Serve hot over rice or with naan, garnish with cilantro, and refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.